Drua. My name is Carletta Yee. I'm 18 years old. I'm from Levuka, Lakembalau. I play for the Fijian GRWM team and also represent the Fijian 15s team. Come get ready with me for game day. I get up at 7 a.m. What I pack for training, just my usual training kit, bed change after training, my notebook for meetings and game set piece play. How I prepare for training is just the usual. I just visualize what we do throughout the day. If it's a hard session, I go through it in my head. If we're doing line-outs, I'll go throughout the calls in my head. What representing Drum means to me is representing my vanua, my village, my family, God most importantly, and just what's the most important thing about Drua is that we not only get to represent ourselves, but Fiji as a whole. Thanks for watching my Get Ready With Me. I hope you enjoyed seeing a bit of my morning routine and how I prepare for training. Now it's time to get stuck into the day. Thanks for coming along.